In the art of war, one must not rely on the enemy's inaction. Instead, one should be prepared for any possibility. Anticipate the enemy's every move and have a strategy in place. Do not wait for the enemy to strike first. Be ready to defend at all times. Having a solid defense is critical to preventing attacks. By understanding the enemy's tactics, one can identify vulnerabilities and protect against them. Remember, the best defense is a proactive defense. Stay vigilant and be prepared for anything that may come your way. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.